5 best SEO tips for beginners. Want to more traffic to your website? Start with these 5 simple SEO tips for beginners. Hello, I'm Digital Guru Anil. Welcome back my YouTube channel Hello Websoft. In this video, I will discuss about 5 most important SEO tips for ranking your website. Number 1. Keyword research. Use the right keywords. Find what your audience is searching for. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner and Uber Suggest to discover low competition keywords. Number 2. Optimize your title and meta descriptions. Make your meta title and descriptions stand out. Your title should be under 60 characters and catchy. Include a keywords. Meta description should be 150 to 160 characters with strong CTA and keywords. Number 3. Improve your website speed. Speed matters. A slow website equal lower ranking and frustrated users. Use to like Google Page Speed Insight to check and optimize your speed. Number 4. Mobile optimization. Make your website mobile friendly. More than 60% of searches come from mobile. Use your responsive design and test your site with Google Mobile Friendly Test. Number 5. Create high quality content. Content is king of your website. Google loves fresh, valuable and original content. Write for your audience, not just for search engine. Want to become SEO master and grow your website? Comment below SEO if you want to more tips. And don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video with some more tips.